Okay, so for tonight, for evening dinner, we're going to do some kebabs. We've got chicken, mushroom and sweet peppers, some original barbecue skeeter sauce, salt and black pepper, some fiery buffalo sauce and some original hot pepper sauce, salad and pita breads. So I put them all, chopped everything up, and these are small sweet peppers. Going to spray them in oil, and we're going to put them on the Atago. The Petromax Atago, which is glowing red hot there, so we're going to cook them on there. And camping North Wales, as I'm talking to you, it's now starting to chuck it down, so typical. Anyway, that's not going to stop us. We're going to eat. So that's the kebabs on the Petromax Atago, being used as a barbecue today. It's got some Weber briquettes in the bottom, which I find are really good. They give off a lot of heat and they last a long time, and they burn out completely, unlike some that sort of leave you with a load of residue lump wood in the bottom of your barbecue when they're finished. So we'll see how these progress. Be back with you soon. And there you have it, barbecued chicken with peppers and mushrooms, pita bread, salad and fiery buffalo sauce. Bon appetit, as they say.